In the name of Almighty God, the gracious, the merciful, I warm welcome all participants in our online channel, the ESL Academy by SIRRANA. Today we shall discuss about Bertolt Brecht. We shall discuss his life. We shall discuss about epic theatre and dramatic theatre. We shall also discuss what is the life of the Ghalilie, what happened to him, and during his life, what happened and for what cause he sacrificed his life, what he did and what was wrong with the Roman Catholics, whether he was a tragic hero or he was a real hero or he was a hero according to new tragedy, or you could say Roman tragedy, Roman Greek tragedy as well as modern tragedy. We shall discuss all this. Today we are going to discuss about Bertolt Brecht and his drama Ghalileo, Ghalilie. In this drama we shall say whether Ghalileo is really a hero or he is just a modern hero, like according to modern tragedy, whether he is a hero or not. Whether he is a hero or not according to Aristotelian heroic or tragedy. So we shall discuss all.